The social organization Neothrap Integrated Territorial Organization today urged the state government to legalize the selling and import of cows from Assam to Meghalaya. This issue was brought to the notice of Meghalaya Principal Secretary of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department GHP Raju during the meeting of the members of Neothrap Integrated Territorial Organization with him. Raju assured them that he would try his best to see that this issue is taken by the Meghalaya cabinet.
Jingkar paru legalize no ya kajing de permohonan calan mesin asam chene te hagajing ye kran batu GHP Raju pada principal secretary jangko benetari amba niat sesat bat kila ai ka usuran fupa hu benai di pas ken snai turun te kin sapa sa cabinet bat lah man pen kam no ya kaneka jing wan khai mesin asam chene rekidon kam tang ko ka ki katu kat ne ki paperwork kata ka ai punya mesin jadi mentai ka bypass week jungme tak komat lah betul tak kai apa deh ke jing ujor pe kalang pun ba manakan ya kidon kini ki kena jungi nopo umurun kena area kila yo pat ki katu kat ne teli kitrok cepat teli kimoy bangin dalak cek salan kolong balen kolong bedai wat halor ba ka destination pat ki tho agentia ndrai kat kum bejing tip ke jeng dia lap ki kena bagi don ki bisa blower ki omba ki khayi tu cha Bangladesh kata ko lak kemudian nak kalian selesai bat ko mai rumi warna kemat jung ban jor kade halor ba hadin badan chalan kum no dan hapsil kita ki kun hon dalal ne kita ki agent kana kalian jung lo om ge trailang bertini ki wan ra ki ma mo masih nang menlak bentek lakam bagi kenturu ye gitu kiba le ye kanaka yo masih kiba watra sene warnam siu pisai gino ki kun hon gam lane ki kun hon mafia lade phile punta to kom phipin slor kam sneo ta jela ujong